Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 2022 Collage Challenge for June, hosted by Julie of Art and Junk Journals with Julie and Leigh of Leigh's Art Studio. This is a once a month challenge and there are many prompts, and I have to say this month really was a struggle for me, but I'm hoping it'll come together. This is my second try, but Leigh and Julie are amazing. Please check out their channels. You will not be disappointed. They're such talented ladies. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 Collage Challenge JUM. I'll have it listed in my description and in my title so that it'll be easy to click on. You will find all the collages that are participating in this month's challenge, and there are some very, very talented women. And this month we are to do retro, and that's where I found this picture. It came from a old book I found, and that's what put me down the rabbit hole. And because that screamed 70s, so I was going with 70s. The other problem I had is that our focal point was to be architecture, and I could not find anything that could compete with the stove. So I'm going to kind of just do this as one focal point, all three of these together. That's the only way I could figure out to do it. But I got some 70s architecture, and I'm going to pair it up with this stove because you do have the light and some of the architectural elements from the 70s. And our theme is autumn and fall, so I printed out some 70s prints that are in fall colors, and our color is to be purple or lilac. So I got this psychedelic thing and some of the artwork from the 70s. Our ledger paper is to be receipt, invoice form, or ledger paper, or brochure, and this was just the best I could come up with. I know it looks vintage, but I'm hoping once I get it all together it'll work. Like I said, our focal points to be architecture. Mark making is splashes, random paint marks, gesso, etc. And our shape is to be asterisks or stars. So I've got this star stamp, and I'm thinking I will stamp it in silver because for the 70s I always think of the silver disco ball and things like that. And we do have swap or bonus items. I'm not sure that I will use any of them, but you can swap up to 2 prompts, and that's handwriting, letter, postcard, note, or anything handwritten. So let's see how far I get this time. I didn't get very far last time. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for better or worse, it's done. My age, period, or style is retro. I've got the 1970s all over these 2 pages. The theme is autumn, fall, so you got orange, brown tones, leaves. I've got brown, warm colored background paper, and I've got the fall leaves. The color is purple or lilac. So I've got the purple carpet here. I've got purple throughout some of the artwork. The ledger paper, I really feel like I just stuck that there, but it's there and it makes a nice background. And I've got a pocket to hold my prompts. Image or focal point, I really doubt that I succeeded in doing that, but I was using the architecture. Architecture is what our focal point is. And I have it, but I don't know if it's necessarily the focal point or if the pictures are or what, but okay. My mark making is, I've got the asterisks, the little stars, and the little swirlies, and I also, for my shape, is stars, and I rubber stamp, but it didn't show up very well with the silver, so I added the little asterisk stars. I didn't use any of the bonus items, and I like it. It's just so different from anything I've done, and this really took me back in time because I grew up in the 70s and 80s, and I remember a lot of things because, like, my images I went online to find, and it brought back a lot of memories, and so I like it. But it's so different from what I usually do. But it was fun. This one was fun. I was stressing out over the first one. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Leigh and Julie's channels. Like I said before, you will not be disappointed. And check out the hashtag 2022 Collage Challenge JUN. So until next time, bye y'all.